चढ़कर चढ़कर मैं पहुंची चंदा मामा के घर। But Mama, क्यों? Why can't I eat sweets? Why do I have to be conscious about what I eat? Peter, it's very simple, you know. Once you have something, it has calories. It has calories, and if you don't consume them, they accumulate as fat in your body. I always feel lucky that my mom told me why I should not do something if she was telling me not to do it. I wonder, अगर वो मुझे नहीं बताती तो मैं सोचती ही रहती। सोचने की बात से मुझे समझ में आता है मैथ, practice. I think we practice our instructions. In school, at home, we practice our instructions. But I never practice. 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 Math, sum, plus, minus, practice. I used to take my math book to the bathroom. My mom used to wonder, what's wrong with you? ठीक है यार, इको हिस्ट्री समझ में आता है, बाथरूम में ले जाके पढ़ती है। पर ठीक है, मैथ क्यों? I used to read the theory of all my chapters. Those several pages before exercise 1.1, they gave me the confidence to do the sums. With confidence, I come back to speaking. English, Hindi, English, Hindi, Hindi, English, English, Hindi, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Shlok, Caesar, Kabir. I started wondering, why has she stopped talking to me in class? She thought I'll give her black stars on the English speaking chart. How could she? How could she not realize that what she says is much more important than the language she uses? Probably us never gave her a chance. Even he talks about it. He tells me, I came to your school in class 5th from a Hindi medium school. And you guys? I was an outcast. I took an entire year to become a part of Section 8. I still joke with him. I still tell him, come on, okay, you can't call English a school. I hardly remember that you even existed in my class. And at the same time, he said, यार जब मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ ना, सोच की बात करनी पड़ती है, तभी भूल लेते हैं। जब मैं इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ, कभी-कभी I even say things which I don't really, I'm not really sure of. इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ यार, ऐसे ही इंप्रेशन अच्छा है। Thinking of it, I think of another friend of mine. He gets attracted to men. It was a little weird for me when the first time I met him. He's a dear friend. The first thing I'll do is probably go hug him when I go to Bangalore tomorrow. I'm cool with it. It's just that पहले कभी सोचा नहीं था इसके बारे में। सोचने से याद आता है, क्या है ये? क्या है ये? क्या है ये? क्या है नेशन का नोशन? They asked me in class. Actually, I asked them in class. What is nation? जब अंग्रेज भारत छोड़कर गए, क्या हम एक थे? क्या आज भी हम एक हैं? As people, are we one? My teacher asked me, why do you jump when India wins a match? Why do you like dressing up in a sari? I just told her, ma'am, my school taught me to take pride in India. Nation or no nation. Monsanto, go back! Monsanto, go back! We don't want greedy ninjas. We are not your lab rats. Monsanto, go back! Genetically modified meat. People are crying, people are dying. Telling क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं यार सर? बुक में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. हम लोग पक्का फेल हो जाएंगे. Today what he said makes much more sense than any other book, any other textbook that I ever read for any of my subjects. I stand in front of the mirror every day. Feel proud about the fact that what I am today, I am. I feel pretty about myself. I wear beauty. I smile. And I think, wow, I look like my mom. And that makes my day. What is strange is, all this while, it never clicks that I can be pretty. 18 years of my life, every day I have spent being ugly. Besides that one moment which I spent, the teacher who's not here right now, but this is the time in red columns and here students have been taking the quality conversation on their quality of their time, the team or two to see videos that society for our time. But one of the concepts they could not and one moment when I danced in the music room. When I was told that I danced well, I carry that back. I carry back all those moments. In this school, I realized I was worth something. Stepping out of ATS, stepping out of others, wasn't any job at all. I sat in class thinking, I don't know this. Oh, what is this about? I never discussed this before. Does that happen actually? But when I look at all these stories that I have with me, all these values that I've got, all these questions, whether answered or not answered, are with me, and I'm searching the answers. I think I'm a product of all this. These stories make me up. Today I stand here as a storyteller, telling you to find your own stories and thanking you for giving me opportunity. That I thought about all this a lot, all this while, this 1 week, and I would just tell everyone to think about it, because we don't realize but our teachers play a very important role in how we are today. And especially if I talk about myself, I was never the one who used to read newspapers at home. I never discussed with my father what was happening at office. For me, the source was my books, my teachers. Now I started looking at things. I was never sensitive enough to look at things. So it's just telling you that how important it is for us, the teachers.